In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expense to a project in Xero. First, log into your Xero account. From the main navigation, click Projects. This opens your list of active and archived projects. Choose the project you want to work on by clicking its name. Inside the project, look for the Tasks and Expenses tab at the top and open it. This is where you manage all the work you're tracking and the costs connected to it, so keeping things tidy here makes reporting much easier later. Next, click Add, then select Expense. This opens a new expense form. Start by entering the expense name. Keep it specific and recognizable, something like Hotel for Site Visit or Prototype Parts, so anyone reviewing the project later can understand the cost at a glance. If your organization uses items, choose or search for an item. Picking an item can help standardize how costs are categorized and may pre-fill pricing details, which reduces manual entry and errors. If you don't have a relevant item, that's fine. Just leave it blank and use the name you typed. Under Track to Estimate, select Estimated Expense if you want this cost to appear in the project's estimate and budget tracking. This helps you compare what you plan to spend versus what you actually spend as the project progresses. Check the date field to make sure it reflects when the cost was incurred. Adjust it if you're entering something from a different day, as accurate dates improve your reporting and cash flow visibility. Enter the quantity. This could be nights, hours, units, or any measure that makes sense for the expense. Then enter the unit price under Cost to You. Xero will automatically calculate the total amount based on the quantity and unit price. Pause for a moment and review that total to ensure it matches your expectation. If you intend to bill this expense to your customer, enable Charge. When Charge is on, you can enter a % markup if needed. This is useful when you pass through costs with a margin. As you add a markup, watch the figures update so you understand exactly what will be billed. Before you finish, review the final total to confirm all details. Name, item if used, date, quantity, unit price, and any markup are correct. When everything looks good, click Save. If you have more expenses to enter and want to keep your momentum, click Save and add another to move straight into creating the next one. That's it. Your expense is now tracked against the project and ready for accurate budgeting and billing.